everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is a dreary Sunday and I have maybe 3 hours to do some filming, and my living room here looks like it exploded because I have both a trunk club and a Trendsend to show you. But this video is going to be about my Trendsend. Trendsend is a styling service by Evereve. Evereve is a brick and mortar store. You pay them $20 styling fee. They'll curate a box, ship that box to you for free. Open the box, try on the clothes, keep what you want, send back the rest. Shipping is free back that way too. So they give you a prepaid mailer. So I get a box of clothes to try on in the comfort of my home. Why not? All right. The $20 styling fee gets applied to anything that you do keep, and whatever you don't keep, if you don't keep anything, you do lose that $20 styling fee. If you click my link below, you get $20 off your 20% off your first order, and I believe your first styling box is $1. I believe they still have that promotion going on, just the first one. So what do you got to lose? You know, you get 20% off, I get 20% off. They send you a box of clothes. Try them on, like them, don't like them, send it back. Now, if you've been following me for a while, when I first started out, I really didn't like Trendsend. And the reason why I didn't like it, it just was not, a couple of reasons I don't like it. One, it's a lot of money. Two, they don't have any kind of petite sizing, okay? Or very little, let's just put it that way. And I need petite mostly. In tops, I can definitely get away with an extra small. In bottoms, I'm usually a petite, depending on the cut and the name brand. Okay, so that's another reason I don't like it. Not their fault. That's they can't cater to everyone. So the other reason that I didn't like it back in the day, but now I do like it, is that I never had a need for casual clothes. I had a need for this uniform for work, which consisted of a polyester blouse, a cardigan, and a pair of pants, you know? Now that I am permanently work from home, right, and I can dress a little bit more trendy, dress a little bit more edgy, and more casual, and feel more in style and fashion. So now I like them a lot more because it suits my lifestyle better. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you exactly what I got. Okay, first up is the cable sleeve cardigan by 525 in cream, size extra small. So this does have the cable sleeves, okay? It has a button down here in front with like tortoise shell type like a buttons, but they're like, you know, plastic, but they're tortoise shell. It is a crop style and it has a boxy fit. And because of the fit, I'm definitely not going to keep it. I'm not also quite happy with that fact it's cropped. It's definitely cropped length. So you would need to wear high rise with this. Yeah, it's just not me. And I believe I requested this. That's another thing. Because there is a styling fee with this box, I only purchase a box when I see enough things on their website that I want. And I create a wish list. And if you use your same email address that on Trendsend, as you use on Evereve, they can see what's on your wish list and fill your box with the items that are on your wish list, as long as they have them in stock in your size. So I did request this, and I don't like the fit. And then on top of that, I didn't realize how similar it was already to this cardigan that I got from Evereve last time in my box, which I really do love this cardigan. This is a Ronan Ryan, and it has stripes, but it's an ivory knit, same type of buttons down the front. The only thing different is the stripes, and the fit on this is a little bit bigger and fits me better. I'm not fond of the crop style, okay? And what did I say the price of this cardigan was? I don't know. I'm going to have to look at my price list in a second. So the next up in this outfit is the Edwin washed black jeans in a size 25. These were a little snug to put on around my waist in this area. However, I would not size up because there's a lot of stretch in them. And you know what happens when there's a lot of stretch, they get stretched out. So even though they were a little snug in getting on, I'm like, oh boy, you know. They're comfortable fitting now, and they will stretch out through that today. They claim they're a straight leg style. However, for me, I guess because I have thick calves, you really don't notice the straight legs on them. So yeah, it's not skin tight around my ankle, but you can see how thick my calves are, like filling it out. But on the other hand, it's like, you know, has the raw hem here at the bottom, and it's just, it's not obviously as skinny, but it is not really like a straight leg. There is a lot of stretch in them, so they're kind of like glued to my leg except for around the ankle. Okay, so those are those two items, and I wouldn't keep the jeans as well. I know they're going to be pricey because they're Edwin, but I'm not going to keep them because I have this pair of dark gray skinny jeans that I got from White House Black Market. All right, they're very similar in wash, and they're skinny, and yes, these are straight, but they're similar fit. You would hardly notice the difference. All right, I have this pair, which is a lighter wash. These were from Stitch Fix, they're Pistola, and they have like the moto style zipper, all right? But they're still gray. And here's a skinny fit. But again, because of the way these are, you wouldn't tell the difference. Then I have this destructive pair also from Stitch Fix, it's called Vigos. These, even though they're destructed and everything, these have more of a straighter fit. The ankle is similar to the ankle width of that. So between these three gray jeans, I'm set, so I am going to return these jeans, okay? In a minute, I will give you the prices, and I'll also be taking off this cardigan to show you the cami underneath. Give me a minute. Realize I did not show you the back of this outfit. The cardigan is $102.40, so that is definitely going back. And let's see, these are the Bree straight leg, washed black Edwin jeans, $110.40. So Edwin is kind of expensive. Okay, so let me turn around. Okay, and this is the back of them. You know, traditional 5-pocket styling. There's nothing wrong with the jeans. I like them, but I would not say I love them. And if I have to choose between this and my mother jeans, I'll take my mother jeans. These fit nice, don't get me wrong. I just don't have a need for them. So let me take the cardigan off now, and I don't have to unbutton it because it is loose and boxy. It can go right over my head. And excuse my bra straps, I did not change out my bra. The cami. The cami is the Kiera Lace Trim Cami in Ivory, and she sent the size small. It's by Allison Joy, and it's $30.40. When I saw that she sent it in a size small, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be too big. But I actually honestly don't think it is too big. I think any smaller would be pulling across my bust. So let me know your thoughts on this. Believe it or not, I do not own an ivory cami. So I'm seriously considering this one, all right? So take a look at the back of it, and I'll look back at the footage too and see how I like it. All right, give me a minute, I have half an outfit. I want to point out the $102.40 cardigan, and keep in mind that is my price because I did get 20% off my items. So thank you anybody who clicked my link and used my referral link. I did get 20% off. I really appreciate it. That one was 100% cotton, all right? So it's $102.40. This one that I have on, let's see here. Applause for you people. Okay, this is the Perry puff sleeve cardigan in blue multi-size, extra small, and my price is $86.40. This cardigan is 100% polyester, all right? Obviously, between the two, I would prefer the material of the cardi that's 100% cotton over polyester, but this is a cute cardi. I think I like this, all right? I did ask for this on my wish list. Let me come closer so you can see the pattern. And I don't think anybody's received this, and I watch a lot of unboxings, and I have not seen, I don't think, anyone who got this sweater. I do like the pattern in it. I don't have, I think, anything this style. It is a cardigan. You can wear it as a shirt, or obviously you can open it up. I have that cami underneath. I don't think I would necessarily wear the cami with this, okay? But it's really cute. It has the puff sleeves, which I don't have anything like that in a cardigan. It is not so boxy. It actually comes in at the waist. It's not coming out. I think this one, and possibly along with the cami, is going to be a keeper. I will check back at the footage to make sure I like it on me. But it's pretty, and it's very unique to my closet. All right, here's the back of it. Okay, so let me know your thoughts on this. I think this is a good maybe for me, all right? Give me a minute, and I'm going to try on the next outfit. Okay, next up are the high-rise ankle-straight exposed button jeans from KUT Jeans for $71.20. All right, as you can see, they have the exposed buttons. They have distressing over here on each side. I think the back are okay and not distressed. There is no knee distressing, so those that don't like knee distressing, there is none. I'll pan down. It has a straight leg with the raw hem. Okay. So I like these. I'm probably not going to get them though for a couple reasons. One, it's cut from the cloth, and these are a regular size 0 and no petite. And I can already see there's extra fabric here, and as the day goes on, it's just going to start loosening up and getting bunchier and bunchier. Unfortunately, this is cut from the cloth. It tends to be one of the name brands that I really need to stick to a petite to. There's just too much area in the rise, and then it just does not look attractive as I start to wear them and they start to loosen up. They are comfortable. I do like them. Also probably wouldn't get them anyway, even if they did fit, is because I do have these pair. Now granted, they're a different wash, right? But, you know, honestly, they're also the exposed button, and they're a straight leg, and they do have a finished hem, and there is distressing elsewhere, but in the knees and these. And these were by Can Stitch Fix. I'm really trying to find things unique to my closet, all right? Next up, something I put on my wish list, because this would definitely be unique to my closet. Unfortunately, I do not like the fit on me. This is by Free People. All right, the Mercury Henley pullover and black pearl combo. This is an extra small, and it's $78.40. First, I don't have any Henley shirts like this with the buttons, so I said, oh, that's pretty cute. I kind of like that. Matter of fact, let me button one more button here because otherwise I'm exposing myself. I don't have anything like this. This is 100% cotton. It is hand wash. The other thing that I liked about it is the very knit in it. You see how it's like striped like that? I like this. Unfortunately, it is just too big for me. It's like falling off my shoulder. The sleeves, as you can see, are enormously long. It does have the exposed seam here, which does not bother me because it does seem like it's stitched very well. If it's not stitched well, then I don't like, because I know it's going to unravel, but I think this one, they did a pretty good job in stitching. So I don't mind the exposed. This would have been a great top if it had fit me. I just think that it is too oversized and it looks sloppy on me. So unfortunately, this is going back. I do like it though. So maybe if you're taller than me, it would work out, okay? All right, give me a minute and I'll switch on the next half outfit. The next thing that they sent me that I am not going to try on, because I know I'm not gonna keep them, are the Oakley filled hoop earring in gold, size extra small, my price $27.20. So let me come close so I can show them to you. They're gold and they're like bent, and they're obviously, you can see the reflection here. It's a shiny metal. These have some weight to them, all right? I do like them, I don't love them, but between not loving them, the price, and definitely the weight, they are a hard no. They have some weight to them. So if you're interested in something like this, just be aware that they are fairly heavy. So those will be going back, okay? Next up is this Tilly cutout long sleeve top, black, size extra small by Allison Joy, $54.40. Ladies, it has thumb holes. I know all of you love thumb holes. So this is a cute top. It is really a nice material. What is it, Mogul maybe? Nope. Rayon, 95%, spandex, 5%. Really nice material. However, I'm not going to be keeping this, as I think this is just probably too big for me up in this area, and because of that, it exposes my bra. And I would want a cutout top that does not expose my bra. So maybe if it were like this and like a little bit tighter, but I think because I'm shorter, it just kind of like bags out up in this area. I just don't think it fits me well. Maybe I'm being a little too critical, I'm not sure. But I think I'm gonna return this. Again, I have so many clothes. Anything that I keep, I have to be very excited about wearing at this point. I am excited about wearing that puff sleeve cardigan, so I think I'm gonna keep that, but I still have to look back at the footage. Okay, so this has like the rounded hem, but only a slight rounding on the sides, so that I can deal with. I don't like exaggerated roundings where it almost looks like you have an opened up bodysuit or diaper of some sort. This is nice, a nice subtle rounding, okay? And it has a cuffed here, and then of course the thumb holes, which I think is a cute touch. but I think I'm gonna have to say no because I don't think this looks pretty good on me. I don't think it looks very good at all. So I am passing on this, and I think I said this is $54.40. Yes, $54.40. Okay, next whole outfit. Okay, next up I have the Tate Cargo Sateen Utility. The color is Moss, and they're by Evereve, and my price is $102.40. So in my note, I asked her, I really want the level 99 joggers in olive, and as you might have heard from my last video, these are made by level 99 for Evereve. There's no question in my mind that these are level 99. They're just slapping the Evereve name brand on it, but they are definitely level 99. These are awesome. I highly recommend these. They're a cargo style. They're super stretchy, super comfy. They fit really well. They have a flat pocket here. They have the slide slash pockets here. They got the pockets here in the back. Can't recommend these enough. However, my heart was set on the level 99 joggers, and these are a skinny pant. And she wrote back and told me, I'm sorry, we didn't make the joggers in olive. We made them in the black and the midnight camo. They didn't make them in the olive. I'm like, oh, my heart. You know, I really, really want the olive joggers, and I think I'm gonna hold out for them. Another reason I'm going to hold out for them, besides the 102 price tag, I do have these. These have an olive tone to them. They're not pure olive, but they're the same style. They got the cargo flat pocket, the side slash pocket. They're a different color, but they're like an olive brownish gray. I think I need something with a different style than this if I'm going to have these. I mean, these I have already and I've worn them many times. These are by Prosperity, and I think I just ordered this direct from the Nordstrom site. I love these, but I think I really want the jogger style. You know, I don't know. This is a tough call. So I think I'm going to be sending these pants back, and you might see me, you know, biting my tongue and purchasing them at a future time. Okay, the next item that I have on, and this is the most bizarre thing, is called the Lilith Puff Sleeve Pullover. Again, I don't have any sweaters with a puff sleeve. I would say this barely has a puff sleeve, or it's just not looking puffy on me. They're calling this teal. I really don't see teal. I almost see black. It's by John and Jen, and my price is $78.40, and it is 68% acrylic, 28% polyester, 4% spandex, okay? The fit on this is pretty well. The V is rather deep for me. Again, I'm short. If you were a little bit taller than me, it would not be that deep for you. I'm okay with it, though. It's not bad. It has the banded cuff and a banded bottom. So I think it fits okay. Material, 68% acrylic. If you know, I would get it possibly. If 68% acrylic, I really love it, but I don't love it. And part of the reason I don't love it is I don't think this is teal. So I'm gonna come closer. To me, this pretty much almost looks black. I mean, yeah, it's like black with a tint of green to it. I was looking for like a brighter like teal color, and it just isn't coming across that way. And for $78.40, I don't love it. It's going back. All right, so what did you think of my box? All items are requested, all items I love, but as you know, my closet is ready to explode. I am going to be sending the daughter off to college next year, so I have to be kind of conscious of where I'm spending my money. So I think I'm just probably going to keep that puff sleeve cardigan. I still have yet to look back at the footage. What was your favorite? I do like these pants, and I have a feeling at a later time you're going to see me reorder them, but I'm going to try and hold out, and hopefully they'll make the jogger style in the olive green. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I do unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click that notification bell as well. Take care, and until next time.